Welcome to ONEX RF. ONEX RF offers various solutions for the catheter manufacturing industry. Our engineering design ensures accuracy in catheter manufacturing, reflecting our commitment to precise heat distribution over the die using an RF induction heating technology. The consistency in forming various grades of plastic tubing is guaranteed by the closed-loop process control. Our tippers offer an open platform to collect process data for customers' machine learning applications. Let's explore ONEX RF catheter tippers. The CTF807LX1 system can be used for various applications, such as tipping, bonding, or flaring. To perform each application, a unique cassette is required, which can be easily swapped on the station. The LXS1 model offers the best control on forming speed and process consistency due to the use of a servo motor-controlled slide. The servo slide outperforms the air slide in process consistency and position accuracy. The long-tip catheter tipper is designed to form up to 4-inch long tapered tip catheters. The process uses an RF induction coil uniformly wound around the die for even mold heating and controlled plastic formation. The LX2 model is designed to form 2 standard-length catheters with individual temperature control. The system uses 2 separate RF amplifiers to precisely control each die temperature. ONEX RF designs and manufactures dies internally within 2 to 3 weeks. Our machines can support catheters of varying lengths, ranging from 50 thousandths to 4 inches long. Different cassette sizes are used to ensure accurate control of the heating and cooling processes. At every step of the way in the die manufacturing process, ONEX engineers take their time to inspect every component. Our closed-loop induction heating process ensures consistent quality in every catheter we produce. ONEX RF brings years of experience, helping R&D and OEM clients in catheter tipping applications and process development. We call this practice proof of principle, which includes design and manufacturing of dies and mandrels, tuning induction coil assembly, process development, producing samples for customer evaluation. In search of a manufacturing partner for your catheter tipping machines? Contact ONEX RF.